Girl, it looks good when you back that data up. Time Machine, the cloud, and more. Hi, I'm Veronica Belmont, and today we'll be answering all of your data backup questions right here on the Sync Up. It's an unfortunate truth. Hard drives do crash. Your cherished pics from your college years, your music library that you've been building up since those Napster days, I'm sure all of it's legal, and all of your important documents can be gone in a flash. But let's not get all doom and gloom here. There are lots of ways to make sure your data is protected. Sure, you can copy and paste everything from your hard drive onto an external drive, but a lot of you out there are looking for a more automatic way, like this reader. Hi Veronica, I'm looking for data backup software that will work in tandem with an external drive. What are your favorite easy-to-use programs? If you're a Mac user, you already have a pretty great solution built right in. It's called Time Machine, and you just attach an external hard drive to your Mac, set it, and forget it. If you delete a file, it's totally easy to go back in time. You can actually do it by date too. You can see all of the different instances of your hard drive right in Time Machine. Go back, grab that file, and bring it back to the present. But for true disk cloning that also gives you the ability to schedule incremental backups, Carbon Copy Cloner is my favorite. Plus, you can create a bootable disk for restoring your hard drive should you encounter, complete and catastrophic disasters on your machine. Similarly, if you're a Windows user, there's a lot of different options out there. Drivelmage XML for Windows works on a variety of different versions of Windows, so if you have XP all the way up to Windows 8, you can all use those. There's also software called Acronis True Image and Clonezilla that work similarly. And best of all, most of these solutions are totally free. Earlier we talked about local backups, but what about the cloud? Our next viewer has a question about just that. I have some important files backed up on drives, but I want to try an online storage solution too. What services would you recommend, and is the cloud a reliable backup solution on its own? Now, my personal favorite is called CrashPlan, and I've been using it happily for the last 2 years or so. However, I also have not had a catastrophic situation occur where I totally depended on my cloud backups to save everything. There are other services out there like Backblaze and Carbonite that do similar things as well. However, the easy-to-use software, the ability to back up multiple machines, and being able to back up attached drives make this one the pick for me. Of course, redundancy is the final word in all of this. It's great to have things on an external drive and then also have that stuff backed up in the cloud because, heaven forbid that there's some kind of disaster in your house and all of your hard drives melt or are destroyed in an earthquake and buried under tons and tons of rubble. You want to make sure that all of that data is also somewhere off-site.
Hey, that's my cupcake.
Whew, good thing I backed up this cupcake. So a word to the wise, always have a backup plan, especially when it comes to your digital media. If you're diligent about your backups, you won't have to worry about the nightmares of data loss and hard drive failure. It is literally the worst. A few takeaway tips so you and your data can rest easy. 1. Back up in more than one location. Redundancy is your friend. 2. Make backing up a routine. 3. Customize your backups to your needs. And 4. Make sure you test out your whole system. I'm Veronica Belmont, and thanks for tuning in to the Sync Up. Make sure to leave your tech questions in the comments below. I will be looking. And if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Popsugar Girls Guide, where I'll be giving answers to all of your tech questions. I'll see you next time.